Hello guys, I can share you again some other video guys. You know that machine guys, you know how to use core drill in a concrete slab. Guys, alam nyo ba yung machine na yan guys? Paano gumamit nyan sa flooring guys? If you don't know this machine, I can share you how to use this core drill for the concrete slab. Guys, kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung makina na yan guys, share ko sa inyo kung paano yan ginagamit guys. Pambutas yan ng semento guys para hindi na magsinsil guys. Tara, samahan ninyo ako. Guys, the first step using of this core drill machine, put first the marking guys, just like this guys. Sa unang paggamit ng coring machine na to guys, kailangan maglagay muna ng marking guys para sa eksaktong butas guys, and then set up the core drill machine in the marking. As you can see guys, yun, iset up nyo yung machine, o ilagay yung machine doon sa eksaktong marking guys. Yan yung ano na yan guys, yung may pintura guys. And next, marking the base for the preparation of drill to fix this base of core drill. Next guys, kailangan lagyan ng marking ito, itong dalawang to, para ma-fix yung base ng core drill machine para hindi gagalaw sa pag-drilling guys. As you can see guys, fix the base guys, and then the marking is okay. Yan guys, nakafix na yung machine guys, ready to drill na yan guys. Okay, as you can see guys, this is the preparation for supporting water guys. Yan ang preparation guys para sa tubig guys. Okay guys, let's start guys, let's start. Pisa na tayo guys. As you can see guys, the performance of coring machine guys is very clear, very smooth guys. Coring machine is best partner for plumbing work or any same work like just like this guys. Yan guys, napakagandang performance ng coring guys. Yan ang makikita nyo guys, malinis guys. Okay guys, that's the exactly process how to use core drill in a concrete slab. Guys, yan na yan guys yung kompletong paraan paano paggamit ng coring machine sa flooring guys. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos coming. And don't forget to like and share of my video. Thank you for watching. SBN Hammerstone, the plumber.